Hello. Kung gusto mong tumawa na maayos at natala, tutok lang sa channelings ni Mama Joella Quella, all Australia. Mga kakwala, good morning from Australia. So this morning, we have another project of our succulents. So this is an overgrown succulents, and they don't look like impressive anymore. So I am planning to redo them in order to make them beautiful again here. So it looks this still looks good, but not that really attractive. So what we're going to do is to redo them. We have to still utilize some of the plants that are there, but we have to also incorporate some new plants to make them beautiful again. So that's out. So these are the plants that we're going to use for the redoing of the arrangement. So some of them, especially this one, they are the old plants from the old path. So that one, but they're still beautiful, they're still nice. That one is also coming from the old path. That one I took it from another succulent that's fully grown in my garden, and that one is from the old pot as well. And of course I bought some new plants to be combined with them. They're from Bunnings, designer succulents. So one is almost $4. That one, beautiful. That one, look at that one, it's look like a finger of a child. Ooh, $5 and 99, no, $6. And that's all. I also plant them, I grow them. And that one looks like they could be lovely, they could be nice as well. So I'm planning to incorporate them. So let's have a look again, and let us see how we go for the new arrangement. Okay, for the new arrangement. During arrangement, it is important that we have the right type of soil that we are going to use. So in my case, I am using the cacti and succulent mix, the Osmoco. So I just bought them from Bunnings, and so they are really intended for the cacti or cactus and succulents. So this is, I will show you. Okay, that's the mix of the soil that we're going to use. Let us start. You see how we go with the design. First of all, put the thing inside. All along, first. So of course, apply the principle of heaven and earth, heaven, the earth, and the sea. Then He creates the sun. So let's try if there will be a three-dimensional of this arrangement. When you say three-dimensional, don't worry about a compact or massive, because it has also advantage when they are compact. So it could look like a bonsai. It turned out to be heaven, the holes, and the sea. Then He creates a sun. Perfection was there for me. And this one is $6. It's a very small one. It's like a finger of a child. Watch that. after less than 10 minutes of arranging the old and new succulents in the pot that's not so attractive a while ago, so that is now my finished product. So I will bring you to the 360 degrees of this arrangement. So if you can notice, as much as I can, I tried to design the 360. Okay, from there, I just put an old, just an old branch of a tree that I just took it somewhere in the surroundings. So that's the 360. Like, okay, so it's now something like attractive. It's something like impressive to look. It's properly arranged, or something like a massive arrangement. It's a massive arrangement, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that one. It's one of my centerpiece. So in arrangement, you should also pick which is your centerpiece. What? So this video somehow could give you an idea of how to arrange the succulents and the cactus if you have, with that a little bit of twist, because sometimes the arrangement is boring with no twist. So look at it. Okay. So that's the beauty. And the beauty. Again, I'll bring you. Okay, that's when you look up. Okay, up. Okay, you see? There's still the arrangement. It should be from heaven to earth. Okay, of course. Okay, that's the beauty when I stand up. Okay. So it's nice to have an arrangement when you can see, okay, the designs in a 360 degrees. It should be a three-dimensional. Okay, but that is my centerpiece. Okay, but if you go at the back or anywhere, there is at least, okay, there is at least an attraction. Okay. Okay, please don't forget to share this vlog, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, okay, don't forget Joella from Australia. So please like and share. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Nagsasabing, be good, be kind, be humble, and be beautiful. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, pindutin mo na ang manok na pula at i-bell mo na ako. Salamat. Love you.